How to enable voice chat on Roblox for PS5. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice chat settings on Roblox for PS5. So let's begin by launching the game and select the More Options tab. And from there, you're going to go to settings and make sure that cross-platform play is turned on. After that, you're going to press the PS5 button to return to the home screen, and then you're going to hit the options button on your controller and choose close game to exit Roblox completely. Next, highlight the Roblox game icon again, and then you're going to press the options button and select check for update to make sure your game is up to date. Now, you're going to go to the main PS5 settings and then scroll down to users and accounts, navigate to the other section and select restore licenses. Confirm by clicking restore. This process should take only around 4 to 5 seconds. And once that's completed, press the PS5 button again and go to the game base. After that, you're going to press the options button on your controller and select go to game base. On the right hand side, choose game base settings, then go to the voice chat settings. And here, select microphone level, speak into the mic and adjust it so your input volume sits comfortably in the good range. Then unmute your mic and select allow under the voice sharing option. Make sure voice chat connection is set to automatic. After all of this, restart your PS5 to apply the changes. But that's not all. You'll also need to update some settings on the Roblox website. So open a browser like Google Chrome and go to roblox.com, log into your account, then click on the settings icon. First, make sure your email address is verified. After that, scroll down to your birthday section and click verify my age. So a QR code will appear. Scan it using your smartphone to begin the age verification process. Once it's completed, you should see confirmation on your screen. So next, refresh the page and go to the privacy tab. From here, disable any restrictions if needed. Then navigate to communication settings and choose custom. Enter your PIN code if required and set the following. Who can message me, everyone or friends. Enable both microphone and camera input. Turn on voice chat. And that's it. You have now successfully set up voice chat on Roblox for your PS5. You're all set. Enjoy chatting with friends. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.